Hello, little stars. Welcome to Slokamithra. Today we are going to colorful trip around the world. Let's learn about the flags of amazing countries and discover one fun fact and one special thing from each place. Ready for the flag parade? Let's begin. Start with our country, India. India's flag has saffron, white, and green with a blue Ashoka Chakra in the center. ఇండియా ఈజ్ ఫేమస్ ఫర్ ద తాజ్ మహల్. మీకు తెలుసా పిల్లలు, తాజ్ మహల్ ఇండియాలోనే ఉంది. ఇది ఒక వండర్. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్స్ విజిట్ ద యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ అమెరికా. ద యుఎస్ఏ ఫ్లాగ్ హ్యాస్ 50 stars and 13 stripes, red, white, and blue. The USA is famous for the Statue of Liberty. Next is the United Kingdom, also called the UK. Its flag is called the Union Jack, a mix of red, white, and blue crosses. UK is famous for Big Ben and the Queen's Palace. Now we go to China. China's flag is red with one big and four small yellow stars. China is famous for the Great Wall.
Wow!
Now comes Japan. Japan's flag has a red circle. It shows the rising sun. Japan is famous for Mount Fuji. Now let's go to France. France's flag has three vertical colors: blue, white, and red. France is famous for the Eiffel Tower. Now comes Germany. Germany's flag has black, red, and yellow horizontal stripes. Germany is famous for cars and castles. Now let's visit the land of pizza, Italy. Italy's flag has green, white, and red stripes standing tall. Italy is famous for pizza and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Now let's visit giant Russia. Russia's flag has white, blue, and red stripes. It's famous for snow and ballet. It's time for Brazil. Brazil's flag is green with a yellow diamond and blue circle with stars. Brazil is famous for football and the Amazon forest. Now let's go to cold and beautiful Canada. Canada's flag is red and white with a maple leaf in the center. Canada is famous for maple syrup and Niagara Falls. Now let's visit Australia, the land down under. Australia's flag is blue with the Union Jack and white star. Australia is famous for kangaroos and Sydney Opera House. Now comes New Zealand, full of nature. New Zealand's flag is blue with the Union Jack and red stars. It is famous for sheep farms and nature spots. Here comes colorful South Africa. The flag has 6 colors: black, green, yellow, red, blue, and white. South Africa is famous for wildlife and Nelson Mandela. Let's go to Mexico. Mexico's flag has green, white, and red stripes with an eagle and snake. Mexico is famous for tacos and ancient temples. Let's go to techy South Korea. South Korea's flag is white with a red, blue circle and black symbols. It is famous for technology and K-pop. Wow, that was a super colorful journey. We saw so many flags and learned fun facts from around the world. సో, ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకోవాలంటే మన శ్లోకమిత్రాని లైక్ చేసి, షేర్ చేసి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.